Hello all children, I'm here with the word problems of linear equations in one variable of class 8. Okay, so the kids are facing problem in this word problems especially. Okay, so here I am with some of the solution of few of the word problems. So the first word problem is the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 7. A rational number, it has a numerator and a denominator. Okay, so it says the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator. This denominator is greater than its numerator by 7. Okay, and then the condition given is if the numerator is increased by 17, then the second condition is that when the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased matlab we have to subtract 6 from it. Okay, and it is decreased by 6, the new number, जो नया number या rational number हमको मिलेगा, that will be 2. So we have to find the original rational number. Okay, so we don't have any known number here. Okay, we have to find numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so we will take a variable x. Okay, so we will consider, let the numerator is x. ओके, न्यूमरेटर को हम x कंसिडर करेंगे. ओके, एंड देन इट इज स्पेसिफाइड हियर दैट द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ अ रैशनल नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन इट्स न्यूमरेटर बाय 7. तो डिनोमिनेटर क्या होगा? डिनोमिनेटर विल बी, ये न्यूमरेटर है हमारा x, इससे और 7 ज़्यादा है तो वी विल ऐड 7 to this. ओके, got it? Now the rational number we got will be x upon x plus 7. Okay, now the condition says that if the numerator is increased by 17. Okay, so according to the question, if we add 17 to the numerator, okay, and we decrease the denominator by 6, और हमारा denominator क्या है यहाँ पे? x plus 7, उसमें हमने कितना डिक्रीज करना है? 6. तो हमको जो नया नंबर मिलता है या नया रैशनल नंबर मिलता है, ओके, तो को हम 2 upon 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, so it will be 2. Now how to solve this one? First, this is x plus 17 upon x plus 1 equals 2. Okay, now x plus 1 is the denominator, here it is divided, so when the side transfer will be there, it will be multiplied with 2. So it will be, I am doing it here, x plus 17 and then 2x plus 1. Okay, now x plus 17, 2 is multiplied with x plus 1 means it will be multiplied with both the terms. So 2 multiplied by x will be 2x plus 2 multiplied by 1 will be 2. Okay, now जो same terms है, जो variable वाले terms हैं उनको एक साथ ले जाते हैं, जो constant terms हैं उनको एक साथ ले आते हैं. So plus 2 here it will come and it will become minus 2, and this 2x, ये plus x यहाँ जा रहा है, it will become minus x. 17 minus 2 will be 15, and 2x minus x means 1x. Okay, it will be x. Okay, so हमारा x क्या था यहाँ पे? Numerator. Okay, so the numerator we got as 15. Now how to find the denominator? So our numerator is equal to 15 and our denominator was x plus 7, means numerator से और 7 ज़्यादा था, तो we will add 7 to the denominator. So to the numerator, and we will get the denominator. 15 plus 7, it is 22. 2. Okay, so our original number is equal to n upon d, that is 15 upon 22. So 15 upon 22 is the original rational number. Okay, so I hope you find it very easy. Just we have to understand the question here, and then accordingly we have to frame the equation. Once we frame the equation correctly, then it becomes so easy to solve it as well. Okay children? So children, hope you are finding my explanation fine and okay. Then if you have not subscribed to the channel, then kindly do the needful and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.